In today's world, cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's essential. And if you're planning to enter this field, one certification stands out as the perfect starting point: CompTIA Security SY0-701. Security Plus is more than just an exam. It's a validation that you understand how modern threats work, how organizations defend against them, and how security operations run in the real world. But before you start preparing, let's understand exactly what this certification is all about. Security Plus is a globally recognized cybersecurity certification designed for beginners and aspiring professionals. It proves that you have the foundational skills needed to protect systems, identify vulnerabilities, respond to incidents, and follow security best practices used across today's industries. To pass this exam, you need a score of 750 out of 900. You'll be given 90 minutes, and inside those 90 minutes, you'll face about 85 to 90 questions, a mix of multiple choice and performance-based scenarios. This means the exam doesn't just test what you know, it tests how you think. The topics covered in CompTIA Security Plus are broad, practical, and deeply relevant. You'll learn the core principles of security. You'll explore modern threats and vulnerabilities. You'll understand security architecture, zero trust, and cloud concepts. You'll dive into operations, logging, monitoring, incident response, and finally, you'll touch governance, risk, and compliance frameworks that organizations rely on worldwide. By the end of this journey, you won't just memorize IT terms. You'll understand how real security teams work. But here's the part most learners overlook. Understanding the content alone is not enough to pass Security Plus, because the actual exam is scenario-driven. It puts you into real situations. It asks you to make decisions. It challenges your ability to analyze, respond, and prioritize under pressure. And that's why the true key to passing Security Plus is simple: practice questions followed by realistic mock tests. These two elements are the backbone of your preparation. Practice questions help you recognize patterns. They teach you how CompTIA frames problems. They sharpen your understanding of concepts in motion, not just on paper. And then come the mock tests, full-length simulations that recreate the pressure, the timing, and the intensity of the real exam. Mock tests reveal your weaknesses, strengthen your confidence, and show you exactly when you're ready. So the question becomes, where can you get reliable, updated, exam-accurate practice in mock tests? And the answer is CertsHarrow. CertsHarrow is built for learners who want to pass certifications like Security Plus with clarity and structure. It gives you domain-wise practice questions crafted specifically for the CompTIA Security Plus exam pattern. It gives you full mock exams that feel just like the real thing. It breaks down your performance, highlights your weak areas, and guides you step by step toward improvement. Instead of searching for random materials online, CertsHarrow gives you a complete, focused path, from the very first practice question to the final mock test, all the way to the moment you walk confidently into your exam. If you're serious about earning your Security Plus certification, your preparation needs direction, accuracy, and consistency. And CertsHarrow is the platform that brings all of that together. Your path to passing Security Plus starts with one simple step. Go to CertsHarrow right now and begin your practice journey. Their CompTIA Security Plus practice sets and mock tests will take your preparation to the next level. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more certification tips and exam-focused content.